Hello, everyone. Trevor's just delivered his plough for us to fix. Huh? Ah, and here's Dandy with Fiona fire truck for her checkup. Coming, you two. Oopsie! It's freezing out here. Ooh. Hello, Dandy.
Oh, hi, Gecko. Hey, Mechanicals. Who wants a game of tag? Zoinks! Looks like I'm it!
Shall we get started on your checkup, Fiona?
Mechanicals! Where are you?
Everything's looking good so far, Fiona. Let's just check your hose.
Are you hiding in here? Ooh. Dandy dive!
Huh? Dandy, are you okay?
Whoa! Gecko, come outside! The water from the hose has frozen.
Careful, Blue. It's not an ice rink. The ice is too bumpy to skate on. How can we make it smooth and safe? Aha! I know how to make an ice rink. We'll turn Fiona into an ice resurfacer. What tools do I need? Wrench! Drill!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
The ice is too bumpy, so to make it smooth, the blades in this plough can remove all the grooves. Attach Fiona's hose to the plough here, please, to create a flat layer of water to freeze. This old car wash sponge will polish and shine. And now our ice rink is mighty fine. Oh, it's working! Thanks, Fiona. Together we turned an accident into brilliant fun.
Look how much fun the Mechanicals are having. I'm so excited to skate.
It's safe to skate now, Blue. I've got you.
I'm skating!
Goodbye, everyone.